Well, that colder weather certainly feels good. I mean, not colder by any sense to other parts of the country, but it feels great here on the Sun Coast.
It is nice, especially I was outdoors working. You know, during the summer months, you kind of put everything off until it gets to this kind of temperature. Now I realize I got a lot of work to do, out there, but in fact, rebuild the fence that was torn down by Irma. That's one of the things. Anyway, we're looking at some nice temperatures for lows tonight. We'll see low temperatures basically dropping down into the upper 50s, but this is for Saturday. I want to show you Saturday's temperatures. They're not going away as far as the cool weather goes. We are going to continue to see some of this cooler weather around right on in through the weekend, although a cold front is going to move through and chill us out a little bit more on Monday. Well, great photos sent in again. Here's one that you see right there, and that is a beautiful shot sent in from Suzanne Krebs. We appreciate that shot. Little flag in the background. They're blowing too. We had a little bit of a breeze today, and look at this wonderful shot of the nice tree and the sun already setting right there, creating that nice color that you see right there. Not a lot of clouds in the sky. A lot of times when you get clouds, you get a lot more action as far as the colors go, but the Van Wezel webcam also showing fair conditions out there, out over the waters, and looks like, again, similar conditions expected tomorrow. Already clear skies down to 62 degrees, and it looks as though we'll get a little bit cooler than last night, so temperatures will be into the mid to upper 50s tomorrow to start things off. Northeast winds now at 6, and the pressure 30.07 inches, and that is on the rise. And the high temperature today, a little bit below average, 76, 79 is our average, 60 was the morning low. That was pretty close to it. 34, the record set back in 1969. And the rainfall, it's been pretty quiet so far for the month of November. In fact, really quiet. We are anticipating, though, some showers to start next week. Now, there's some conflict in between a couple of models, the GFS and the European. GFS has a little wetter solution, so we'll see how that plays out, especially for Thanksgiving. But the forecast, upper 70s tomorrow, lots of sunshine, hardly any clouds around at all. Get out there, enjoy it if you can, and it looks like Saturday should be similar. I mentioned those temperatures for tomorrow's lows into the mid to upper 50s, 40s in places like Gainesville, and then tomorrow's highs will be in the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. And then again on Saturday morning, we saw this earlier, upper 50s to low 60s, but we will quickly warm up again into the upper 70s by the afternoon. Well, the futurecast showing sunshine for our area. A few clouds along the east coast, not much going on there. Here comes a frontal boundary. You'll see it start to moving on down there, and then some showers through Atlanta. Very thin line of showers on Saturday evening at 11 o'clock. It won't get to us until later in the day on Sunday. It will bring an increase in clouds on Sunday late in the day. Still high temperatures will be in the mid to upper 70s on Sunday, cooler on Monday as we move through time. Well, not much rain left with that little easterly flow along the east coast. It's pretty much over as that front has moved well to the south now. And that storm over the northeast, which brought kind of a nasty day into New York, Pennsylvania, as well as into much of the northern New England states, is now shifting off into the Atlantic. Quiet weather throughout the southeast because of that big area of high pressure. Still some snow falling, as I said, in some areas near Burlington, Vermont. And then those temperatures cooler all the way down to Memphis now. 49 degrees, 71 in Dallas, though. 44 in Kansas City, and some key cities, Toronto 32, Pittsburgh 38, 40 in Columbus, 38 in Detroit now, 33 in Indianapolis, Denver at 58 degrees, and Wichita at 59, and 71, still pretty warm now in Dallas. Well, here's the forecast. As we see it for boaters tomorrow, it'll start off a little bit breezy. We'll have winds out of the northeast at 15 knots, subsiding to 5 to 10, and coming out of the north later on in the day. Seas at 2 to 3 feet with a moderate chop, and we are looking at again, the water temperature at 73 degrees, and it looks as though we'll see the temperatures cool off in that water, especially on in through Monday and Tuesday of next week. Tides on your screen. Sunset will be at 5:38. Sunrise will be at 6:53. Mostly fair, cool tonight, low of 57, and tomorrow lots of sunshine and mild. Another nice day. Everyone will be enjoying it, I'm sure. 78, and the extended forecast is calling for. There you got it. Beautiful. Saturday, Sunday, not too bad. Even though the front's coming down, maybe a little windier. We could see some fog in the morning. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we're going to keep it at a 40 to 50% chance right now. Still a lot in the air, up in the air as far as that forecast goes, but could see some rainfall, some needed rain. We need it around town.